Hey guys, it's Jem from Jetset Plumbing. Today, we're going to give you 3 reasons why your shower is blocking up. Blocked showers can be a major inconvenience, causing water to pool up around your feet and making it uncomfortable to shower. Here are 3 common reasons why your shower may be blocked. Number 1, hair and soap buildup. Over time, hair can build up in your shower drain and create a blockage within your drainage pipework. This is especially common with people with long hair, or if multiple people within your house are using the same shower. To prevent hair buildup, use a drain cover to catch the hair before it enters the drain and clean the cover regularly to prevent any unnecessary hair from going down the drain. Number 2, tree roots. Tree roots will grow into your pipe and cause a blockage. They're obstructing the line, especially if you have older pipes or there's tree roots in close proximity to your home. To prevent tree roots from causing a blockage, make sure to have your pipes inspected regularly and consider removing any trees that are too close to your pipes. In severe cases, you may need to have your pipes removed and replaced to prevent further damage occurring. Number 3, broken pipework. Broken drainage pipes are one of the more severe causes of kitchen blockages, as the pipes have shifted, causing a break within your drainage line. Depending on how your drainage line has been laid out, your kitchen could be the first fixture to start experiencing these issues. When you experience a blocked kitchen drain, be sure to take a look outside to ensure there is nothing overflowing, i.e. from an overflow point or an ORG grate. If you've noticed your shower starting to block up, it's important to call a plumber to inspect what's going on with your drains.